Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to change oil in your Toyota Sienna. First, gather your essential tools: a 13mm wrench, an oil filter wrench, and a drain pan. Next, ensure you have the correct type and amount of new motor oil, typically around 5 quarts, and a fresh oil filter. Finally, safely lift your vehicle using a jack and secure it firmly on jack stands for stability. Now place your drain pan directly beneath the oil pan. Locate the oil drain plug, usually a 13mm bolt, and carefully remove it with your wrench. Let all the old, dark engine oil completely drain into the pan. This usually takes about 10 to 15 minutes. Once drained, clean the plug and reinstall it securely, being careful not to over-tighten, which could strip the threads. Next, position your drain pan under the old oil filter. Use an oil filter wrench to loosen and remove the old filter. Be prepared for a small amount of oil to spill. Take your new oil filter, apply a thin layer of fresh motor oil to its rubber gasket, and then hand tighten it onto the engine. Finally, pour the recommended amount of new motor oil into the engine's fill port. After refilling, lower your vehicle and start the engine, letting it run for about 1 minute. Turn it off, wait a few minutes, then check the oil level with the dipstick, adding more if necessary. Inspect thoroughly for any leaks around the drain plug and the new oil filter. Remember to check the description for links to products mentioned and other great deals. Life's too short for a stinky car, so grab a little Tree's Black Ice air freshener to keep your ride smelling fresh.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.